Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the Klarna credit card and whether it's actually worth using before you sign up. So let's dive in. Now, most people already know the Klarna for its buy now, pay later service that lets you split online purchases into smaller payments. The Klarna credit cards takes the same idea and turns it into a more traditional credit card. And here's how it works. When you use the card, you can either pay in full like a normal credit card or split your purchases into installments directly inside the app. That flexibility is the main selling point and what makes this card different from standard bank issued credit cards. Everything is managed through the app. You can track spending, create payments, plans, and manage due dates all in one place. It feels modern and is clearly built for people who shop online a lot and want more control over how they pay. Now, one important thing to note, this card is not focused on rewards. You won't find big cashback offers, travel points, or flashy perks here. Instead, Klarna is targeting users who care more about budgeting and flexible payments than maximizing rewards. That said, you still need to be careful. Just like any credit card, interest and fees can apply, especially if you choose longer installment plans. The flexibility is helpful, but only if you stay on top of your payments. So overall, the Klarna credit card is a solid option if you already like Klarna's buy now pay later system and want that same experience in card form. If you're mainly after rewards and perks, this probably isn't the best choice for you. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.